This is a hot minute update on NVDA. After blowout earnings and a $25 billion buyback, the stock soars and then leaves a Marubozu top. We'll look at that. And of course, this is an update because last week we gave a bearish scenario. This week, it's also a bearish scenario, but not as bearish as what we thought was the highest probability did not happen. Let's take a look here as we look at this chart. And you will see here that the NVIDIA chart pattern, as we had right over here on the daily chart, showed, and you could see this gray area right over there, that projection that there was a possibility that it would form a head and shoulders top. That did not happen. And what happened was the stock soared on earnings that were much better than expected. They were really blowout earnings, as the revenues just were massive. And of course, earnings beat by a lot, and they issued a $25 billion buyback of the stock. Of course, they're buying back the stock at $500 a share approximately, or a little bit less, which is a real high price and a real word of optimism. Still, what we have here on our analysis is suggestive that that is an important top. Usually when you get this Marubozu right over here, as you see, that's called a Marubozu, is Japanese for shaven head. Usually what that means is that it is a reversal pattern, and the stock is likely not to be able to surpass that pattern, those highs, for a while. Right now, you can see that what this does is it raises the downside projection, but still we're in this period over here where it is likely to fall. The ideal trough comes out to mid-October, as we said last week, and this stock is likely to pull back here under this level of about 465, maybe down to about 440, get probably another rally, and then get into the support zone that is just under $400. That's how it appears here on the weekly chart and here on the daily. So we're going to look for this to be an important trading top, and it being in a period of downward chop till it gets back down to about 400 into this period into mid-October. That is our update in what is a very, very powerful stock and still likely to correct.